In this video, you'll learn how to fix the Claude Code API timeout issue. This guide will provide you with several effective solutions that can help you resolve timeout errors when using the Claude CLI on node.js. To begin, you can increase the node HTTP timeout, which is often the most effective fix for timeout issues. Start by opening your terminal. Then enter the command to set the environment variables. Type $envis node underscore options =, HTTP parser =, legacy, followed by $envis cldd underscore timeout =, 120.000.ot. This command sets the HTTP timeout to 120 seconds. After entering this, you should see no immediate feedback indicating that the command has been accepted. Next, run the command Claude Chat in the same terminal. If the timeout issue disappears, it confirms that the default timeout was too short for your session. To make this change permanent, you will need to enter another command. Type set xcalo underscore 8xjpt underscore timeout 120.0.0 and press enter. This sets the timeout permanently. After this, restart your terminal to apply the changes. Another method to consider is forcing streaming mode, which can prevent timeouts caused by large responses. If you're sending large prompts, you can run Claude Chat-stream. Streaming allows the response to send data progressively, preventing the request from waiting for the entire response to complete, which often leads to timeouts when the response takes longer than 30 to 60 seconds. It is also important to check your real network latency. To test the raw response speed, you can use the command measure command-to-invoke web request https://api.anthropic.com. If this command takes more than 2 to 3 seconds before showing any headers, it indicates a potential network problem. To fix DNS speed, enter the command set DNS client server address -interface alias Ethernet server addresses 8888 and restart your network adapter afterward. If you're on a corporate network, it may be beneficial to disable HTTP FireMA 2 as it can lead to random timeouts due to negotiation failures. You can force node to prefer HTTP filer. One by entering the command $env node options = no experimental fetch. After executing this command, test your requests again to see if the timeout issue persists. Consider reducing the model size if you are using a high-tier model, as it can lead to longer first token latency. You can temporarily switch to a lighter model by running Claude Chat -model Claude 3 HiQ. If the timeout disappears, this indicates that your network may not be able to handle the latency of the heavy model. Additionally, check if port 443 is throttled by running a continuous ping with the command testnet connection api.anthrop.com-port 443 - information level detailed. If the round trip time is greater than 200 milliseconds consistently, this suggests network congestion rather than a problem with Claude itself. For an advanced fix, you can increase the global agent timeout by entering the command $ng global anga solmout =out =, 120.0.0. After executing this command, run Claude again to see if the timeout issue. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.